YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So if you want to see how this does on my skin and get my thoughts on it and see if it's a yay or nay, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, so I done washed my face so we could try out the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So I'm excited to try this out. I seen this, my homegirl Jackie Naturals had tried this out on her channel and I had to try it out. I was going to order it online from their website, but I went to Sephora the other weekend and it was, you know, when you're standing in line where all the little knickknacks and stuff was at, this was there for $17 for 5 treatments, and I was like, oh yes, I have to pick this up. So yes, I went on to pick this up. And it's a patent 2-step peel with 7 acids. It says it helps smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and uneven texture. So achieve clinical results at home. So you know, I like going to the spa and I like me a good chemical peel or two, but I was like, hey, let me try this out. So yes, we are going to open this up and take it out. So I have my 5 treatments and it comes in a 2-step. So this is the 2 steps and there is 4 more left. So I'm excited to try that out for 17 bucks. This is like a week's worth because you can use this daily. If you're new to chemical peels, then you might want to use it just maybe once every other day. So we are going to read the instructions so we can make sure that we're doing this right, okay? It says 2 minutes to smooth, beautiful skin. To use, for optimal use daily, AM or PM. First-time peel users may apply every other day until skin becomes acclimated. Massage step 1 onto clean, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes. Repeat with step 2. To further enhance results, follow with a serum and moisturizer of your choice. So, here we go. We're going to try this out. So, I do have a fresh face. I used the Glam Glow cleanser that I had got in, I think it was my BoxyCharm or my Glam Box, one of the two. But we're going to do step 1 first, which is exfoliate and smooth. So we're going to rub this all over the face until the pad is dry, like it said, okay? So we're going to take it out, and it looks like a little alcohol pad. Okay, but, okay. So I'm just going to keep rubbing it. And I have some, oh. She does smell chemically, like, for real. But it says just, look at that. I still have makeup on, you guys, even though I washed my face. That's not good. So, ugh. Let's just get this all until the pad is dry, right? Ugh. Till the pad is dry. So what I like about chemical peels is, you know, it's revealing fresh skin, and if you have like I pick at acne, so I get a lot of acne scars. So if you get a lot of acne scars, then yeah, this will be great for you. So I'm just trying to make sure I'm using all the product like it said till it is dry, because we want to make sure our face is good, okay? Alright, so it says let that sit on the skin for 2 minutes. So we just gonna wait and chill and let this sit for about 2 minutes, okay? I do feel some light tingling going on. Nothing major, nothing to be like screaming out at me like, ah, don't use this anymore. So nothing of that nature. Just more like you feel like, okay, it's working. It's doing something. It's doing its job. Okay? So yeah, I do like that these are very, very simple and easy to use. And so definitely like that. So I'm going to give this about 2 minutes, 2 whole minutes, okay? To just set on the face and do its thing. So I did some DIYing. In my little filming area, I have a cart that is just gotten overwhelmed with makeup. So I had got these little storage things to help organize that cart, and I also bought a shelf, and I'm DIYing the shelf because I wanted the shelf to be white and rose gold instead of white and gray. So if you guys want to see a video on me DIYing a shelf and like my little makeup area where I film, then just leave a comment down below and I will get that video up for you. But it was fun, and it's nice just seeing, you know, something that you really want done, you're putting it together yourself, you know, and the end result is just like really amazing. So because I was looking everywhere for a shelf that was rose gold. I've seen gold, I've seen all kind of ones, but not rose gold, and I wanted it that specific color. So it's just nice to see it all come together. So it's been about 2 minutes now, so we're gonna go on and move to the second step, and we are going to repeat. So basically we're going to open the second step, and we're going to take out the little, you know, applicator, or the little applicator, the little cloth, and we're going to run this over our face. Run over the face. I think what it is I have makeup under here. This is just until all the moisture is off. I know I'm like rough with my face, you guys. I'm just kind of like to rub that on there. Alright, so this is getting dry. And then rubbed all over. So there we go. And they said to finish off with your favorite serum or moisturizer. So I'm doing the 111 Skin by Harley Street London. It's their vitamin C brightening booster. So I'm going to use that on my face. I'm going to give it a good shake. And I'm going to open her up and just do a couple drops in my hand. 1, 2, 3. And just rub that all over my face and neck. Oh, let's see. Okay. Then next up, I'm going to use the Beauties Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. It's lightweight, it's oil-free water cream. It's good to prime the skin for makeup, and it is good for oily to combination skin. Okay, sorry about that. It has green tea, white tea, and vitamin E, which prevents premature. So my camera shut off, but before it shut off, I used the Beauties matcha green tea moisturizer on my face, along with the 111 Street vitamin C booster. So this is what my face is looking like after I use the chemical daily peel, and this is the extra strength one. What do you guys think? Do you guys see a difference? I feel like I do see a difference. Just like I have this pimple that I have popped over here, and it was really, really dark. I see that it lightened up a little bit. I feel like if I did do this pretty much on a daily basis, maybe within a week, that spot will be gone. And then I have these like spots on my chin, these pimples that came in, and I am a picker, so I was picking at them, and now there's like little scars here. So maybe after a week, these ones will start like being very minimal, like this one on my like right here. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with this. I will do an updated review probably on Instagram or Facebook or whatnot, and give do before and after pictures of what my skin looks like after a week of using these. But this is definitely what she's looking like after the first use. And yeah, I think she looks pretty clear. What are your guys' thoughts? Go ahead and comment down below in the comment area. But yeah, I'm going to definitely keep using these and keep you guys posted. But yes, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.